unboxes. This is where I put 2 different variations up against each other. Then I come back later in the month and I put whatever one that was my favorite up against the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So before we jump into the unboxing, if you guys are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Rhonda, better known as HOTMESSMOMMAMD, makeup diva, not medical doctor. And over here, we embrace the hot mess. We run on a ton of caffeine because, is there any way else to be? I don't think so. Anyways, guys, it's a judgment-free zone where we sit back, relax, we chit-chat about makeup, and remember that at the end of the day, it is in fact just makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. There's no drama for this mama. So hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe, turn that notification bell on, because I upload 5 days a week over here, Monday through Friday at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. I also have a second channel. All information will be down in the description box down below. Let's go ahead and jump into this battle. Oh my goodness, guys. Now these boxes are sent to me. I'm moving my coffee out of the way. These boxes are sent to me complimentary to review, to show you guys the different variations that were available for February 2020, and it's all about giving an honest review, an honest opinion, and like I said, which one ended up being my favorite. And this may actually surprise you guys. Okay, I'm talking too much. Let's just get into this. Okay, so the first one that just arrived to my doorstep yesterday, so you guys have not seen a dedicated video on this, is this box right here. As always, when you open it up, you do get a little card in here. Now, this is the base box. I probably should have told you guys that. This is the base box. This is a $25 plus tax box a month. Try that again, Rhonda. This box is $25 plus tax, and it is a monthly box. Yay. Okay. So it always comes with a little postcard. It's always themed. This month's theme is Boxy Adore. And inside, it tells you a little bit about all the items that you did receive in here. Now, y'all always ask me the weight of my boxes. This particular box had a weight on my mail scale, 1.46 pounds total. I'm all over the place, guys. I mean, what's really new with that? You know, I mean, I think you guys just come here and expect the train wreck, which is good. Because if you're looking for professionalism, nah. Oh my gosh, coffee's so good. Okay, so the first item that I'm going to talk about, this was not a variation. With the premium box and the base box, we do typically get to choose or customize one of the items in there. Now for March, the premium box, we will not be getting to customize because it is a across-the-board brand. Oh, I'm so excited. Just stay tuned because I'm going to be doing some more sneak peeks because, of course, more things came to light for that box, but try and stay focused, girl. So, this is not a variation item, but I talked to you guys about this particular item. These are the set of 3 brushes by Gerard Cosmetics. Now, this is a vegan and cruelty-free 3-piece brush set that comes complete with a complexion brush, a bronzer brush, and a brightening brush, suitable for all skin types, delivering a flawless finish. And it retails for $36. I'm sorry, I was congratulating myself because I got through that without messing it up. I have dyslexia. I sound like a broken record, I know, but if you're new here and you didn't know that, I do have that, so. Okay, so this is what the brushes look like, and I told you guys in my dedicated unboxing of the base box that I received earlier in the month, these were ones that I really, really wanted. I used them today, so that's why they're dirty, and I have to say, I really like these brushes. I mean, I love Gerard Cosmetics. We've seen them in our boxy boxes before, and I was so excited to get the face brushes. We already had seen the eye brushes in the past, so I was really excited about this. I will tell you guys, I put my powder on with this. I like that it's not insanely dense. It's like, it works. I don't know if this is necessarily like my favorite brush set by any means, but it worked. I felt like it blended things out very nicely, and I did like the way it fit underneath my eye to set this. Like I said, this was a variation. We could have received this or the Luxie sponges. Okay, so the next item I did receive was one of the items that we could customize. Now the customization for February was the iconic London palette, the Kate Somerville serum, and there was something else in my brain has done left me. I don't remember. But anywho, Kate Somerville was the next item that was in this box, which I told you guys I thought that I'd said like that's what I'd picked, but I couldn't remember because I have like pregnancy brain that turned into mom brain, and at this point I don't even know what you call it. It's just there. It's or not there. It's just my brain. So there's that. Anywho, this is by Kate Somerville. This is the KX Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptide Serum. I've never tried a Kate Somerville product, but I've heard that it is absolutely amazing. So when I opened the box and saw not only the Alamar brushes, but the Kate Somerville, I was like, yes, because your girl is like highly, highly obsessed with skincare. Like my skincare journey started hardcore when I turned 40 in 2018, and it's not stopped. It literally hasn't stopped. I feel like I just want to focus on cleaning up my insides, and then it'll show through the skin and getting good skincare products. I'm gonna make this too long. Okay, I'll stop tangenting. Anyhow, this it says Kate specially formulated this highly active concentrate to transform dull, saggy skin into visibly firmer, smoother, refreshed looking skin after just 1 week. 97% of women reported their skin appeared visibly tighter. $98. That's what this retails for. I am praying for this. Like, this sounds amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna be all about that. I will be trying it tonight. It says how to use AM and PM, apply 1 to 2 drops on cleansed skin, and yeah, that's happening. So I will definitely be testing this out and coming back and telling you guys more and more about these products, how I felt about them. Did I notice a difference within 1 week? Stay tuned. Subscribe. I'm so weird. Okay, moving on. The next item I did receive is the Facial Radiance Pads by First Aid Beauty. These have a retail value of $16. Y'all have told me these are insanely amazing. I will tell you guys, I did not open mine yet because in my FabFitFun box, I think it was the winter box, the fall box, one of those boxes, we got this huge tub of pads from one of the doctors, one of the Real Housewives of maybe Beverly Hills that used to be on there. Her husband started a skincare line, and we got a big thing of pads in there. So I just got around to using them and testing them out. So like I said, eventually you'll see them in one of my empties videos, and I'll give you guys my thoughts. But you guys have told me these are absolutely amazing. And a little bit about them: they're a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acid to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin types. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. Like I said, retail value $16. I love getting skincare. I love the variety. I definitely love the variety. The next item that we did receive is by EVO Skin Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. These have a retail value of $10, and it says these are biodegradable, multitasking EVO Skin and Aurora wipes that are made from hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. I'll be honest with you guys, I still haven't gotten around to trying them out, but you'll see it. I'll talk about it later, eventually, sometime on our channel. Okay, so the last item in this box, variation 45, was the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I did use this today with the Alamar brushes, and I didn't mind it. I didn't think it was a bad powder. Now, I don't really bake. I'll kind of chisel out down through here, but it says apply generously to the areas with concealer to bake and set makeup, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes, sweep off for excess for a crease free soft focus finish, lightly dust oil prone areas using a large fluffy brush. Matte finish. I would say that I did get a matte finish from this, but it wasn't like insanely like it wasn't overly pigmented, which is good because it's like stark white. And I mean, like I said, I chiseled out through here, but it wasn't, I thought it was really easy to work with, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So as far as the scent goes, the little bit of scent that I smelled reminded me kind of the Tantastic, which this is not a very strong scent either, in my opinion. I don't have the best sinus cavity, so, you know, there's that. But I will say, if you are bothered by scent, I don't think this is going to bug you because it's not a heavily scented type of powder at all. So anyways, that was everything in the variation 45. It had a retail value of $182. Moving on to the next box, which is the larger box. I did do a dedicated video on this box. Now this, again, same type of card, products inside. This did weigh 2 pounds, 0.4 ounces, and it is variation 19, since I forgot to say that earlier about that one. So the first item we got, again, this was a variation between the Alamar brushes, or we could have gotten the 3 Luxie sponges. And you guys, if you saw my dedicated video, I did use this one to carve out. I thought it worked nice, but again, I don't wear foundation or concealer hardly ever, so it's gonna take me a while to get through these, to be honest with you guys. They did have a retail value of $40. The next item we did receive, again, is the Facial Radiance Pads by First Aid Beauty, retail value $16. I'm excited to try these. Like I said, we did get those in the other variation. Again, we also received the Evio Skin Aurora wipes with the hemp oil. Is it the hemp wipes, sorry, $10 value. Still haven't gotten around to using them from this box either. The next item we received in this box is the Amika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. Mine did come with like the thing separated out. It smells absolutely amazing. So I just have it in a Ziploc bag, but I can tell you guys, I love Amika products, so I was very, very excited to get that in this box. And then the retail value of that product was $25. And then last but not least, we got the Day to Slay eyeshadow palette from Iconic London. And again, I did do, in my dedicated video, I did do a look with the shadow. And I thought that the shadows performed very nice, very easy. I didn't have an issue with them at all. It does have a retail value of $62. As far as the retail value of this box, it did come to $153. I thought that this as well was a good box. Which box was my favorite? Honestly, variation 45 was actually my favorite for a couple reasons. One being the Alamar brushes. When I did my dedicated video on this variation 19 box, I told you guys that I was very grateful and thankful that this was sent to me from Boxycharm. So I was very thankful to receive the Luxie sponges, but my heart was really wanting the Alamar brushes, and I love these brushes. I really, really enjoy these brushes a lot. And the fact that I love skincare, even though I love eyeshadows and I love eyeshadow palettes, but I so wanted the Kate Somerville Smooth and Firm. I wanted this product. I knew that was an option, and I wanted to try this product because good skincare is expensive, you know? So out of everything, I was so excited because those were the two products that I really, 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 really wanted. I'm not basing it off of the overall how much the boxes, the value were. I will tell you guys, this was just an added plus. And I don't think the powder was that, you know, it's not my favorite. The powder is definitely not my favorite, but it's not bad. I'll use it. It worked underneath the eyes too as well, and it didn't like give my eyes that creepiness. So I'll continue to use that. But overall, I'm gonna give this round to variation 45. So later in the month, you're gonna see this variation 45 up against my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I like to put them head to head and see which subscription came out on top. So hopefully you'll stick around and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on that video. There is a giveaway going on my channel right now. I will leave the video up here somewhere for you guys, as well as in my description box down below. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, because March is going to be insane for Boxycharm. Oh my goodness. If you guys don't know, I do sneak peeks here on my channel as well. It's something that I currently started about a couple weeks ago for the February boxes, and you guys say you really like it. So I'm definitely going to keep coming back and doing those videos for you guys as well. But March, Boxycharm, it's going to be pretty insane. I do have a link down below where you could sign up for Boxycharm. It is an affiliate link, so just know that if you do decide to use that link, that it will earn me a little bit of a commission. So thank you guys in advance for that. And I'm going to go ahead and hop off because I made the video so long. Part of me is like, I need to work on my ramble, and then the other part of me is like, no, it's me. That's literally me. That's how I am. Like, why do you want to like edit that out? Like, just keep it, leave it. I know I'm not everybody's cup of tea. I'm just gonna say that. Maybe your cup, hopefully your cup of coffee? Maybe? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna hop off for now. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up before you leave. Hopefully decide to stick around, subscribe, become part of the Hot Mess Express. You know, follow me on my YouTube journey of craziness, rambles, whatever it may be. All information will be in my description box down below. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I don't know what I'm doing with my life right now. Okay, I'm gonna hop off. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.